Welcome to Mr. D's collection or collectibles. Today, we're exploring a unique and highly collectible item. The supersized medals of the most beloved popes in modern history, Pope John Paul II. Pope John Paul II served as the head of the Catholic Church from October 16, 1978 to April 2, 2005. His papacy marked by his efforts to improve the Church's relation with Judaism, Islam, and the Eastern Orthodox Church, and his extensive travels around the world. To honor his significant contribution and enduring legacy, this exclusive gold-plated medals was minted in 2011, limited to just 9,999 complete collection. Each medal is a work of art. This medal made from copper and plated with gold, giving it a luxurious quality. It weighs 137 grams and has diameter of 70 millimeters, making it a substantial piece. The quality of the medal is proof, ensuring a high level detail and a mirror-like varnish. See. On the overside, you will find a beautiful detailed portrait of Pope John Paul II. This one, along with the years of his papacy and his death. This one, October 16 to April 2, 2005. The design also features his coat of arms and a depiction of the church, symbolizing his spiritual leadership. This is the coat of arms and the church, symbolizing his spiritual leadership. The reverse side is inscribed with Civitas Vaticana and includes the coats of arms of four significant popes: Pope Pius IX, Leo XIII, Pope John Paul II, and Pope Benedict XVI. This design highlights the continuity and the heritage of the papacy. This supersized medal is not just a historical artifact. It is also a highly collectible item. Its limited edition status, combined with its high-quality craftsmanship and gold-plated appearance, makes it a prized possession for collectors. The value of this medal is enhanced by its rarity and the significance of the figures it commemorates. Collectors particularly seek out proof quality medals for their impeccable quality and detailed. Pope John Paul II legacy continues to inspire millions around the world. This supersized medal served as a tangible reminder for his enduring impact on the Catholic Church and the global community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow to Mr. D Collectibles items for more fascinating insight into the world of coins and medals. See you next time. Bye-bye.